Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. I want to let you know that I will be working with a new kit from Vals Crafts Creations, and this is her sunflower kit. This kit is the first project I will be doing for Val as a member of her design team. After the collab, she picked several of us to be on her first ever design team, and I am proud and happy that I was one of the ones selected. So that's Vals Crafts Creations, and this is her sunflower kit. So let's take a quick look. This is just a run through. I'll be working on these items this weekend. I don't know what I'm going to make yet. I'm thinking a mini album, but I might do something else. So this is her beautiful sunflower kit. Again, I print on both sides in case I want to do something. So these are just the regular sheets. I'm not going to show you the back sides because these are the regular sheets that can be folded or used however. Aren't these gorgeous? Look at the beautiful details. I love the cracks. And those of you that know me know that I love sunflowers. So beautiful, beautiful papers. I am going to have so much fun creating with these. So a lot of papers for sure. This might be, so many of the other design team members do junk journals. So I'm not sure that I will do a junk journal, but I might do something. I haven't decided. Okay, so here are the folded journal pages, and these ones I definitely like to do double-sided. So the fronts are first, and then what I put on the back, because if you fold them in a junk journal, I want both sides to have stuff. So there's the first page, and I just mixed up what I put on the back of them. So these are pretty much ready to go. You could just fold these, do your stitching in them, and have a signature ready to go. Aren't these gorgeous? I love the cracks, and the lines are nice for journaling. Okay, so those are the journal pages. And then lastly, we have the extras. We have an envelope with a couple little note cards and some fun tags. Here we have another envelope, postcards, other embellishments. These are a couple of pockets and some ephemera and a couple of tags. She really does think of everything. Nice corners you could use for tuck-in pockets, more tags, journaling cards, little frames. And then this one has belly bands, which I sometimes use for borders. I love the little Polaroids, those are awesome. A fun little strip that could be used as a belly band or something else. More tickets and another little frame. And then this one has more pockets, tags, some little probably title bars, small postcards, a little bit more ephemera, and then 4 more pockets. So that is a really quick look at Vals Crafts Creations sunflower kit that I will be making a project with as a member of her new design team. I'm excited. Stay tuned. Be back probably in next week, and you'll see the video. I may do some process videos before I do the flip through. Thank you. Take a look at Vals Crafts Creations. She is on Facebook. She is on YouTube. I believe she is also on Instagram. So have a look. Come back and see what I do with this. Give this video a like so you are notified to see more. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Have a wonderful day.